So, after I caught someone trying to commit insurance fraud on my Dashcam, Arpha reached out to me to review their new Dashcams. And no, I'm not selling out, they didn't pay for my review. So enough yapping, let's get into it. And one thing I liked right from the start is that it uses a Type-C connection. Most cameras use micro USBs, and those things always break on me and start making loose connections, so hopefully this lasts a lot longer. Now let's see how hard this is to install. I like to place my dash cams right behind my rearview mirror. This will keep it from blocking my view. Now for the wiring, it's super simple. You just plug in this splitter and tuck it under the headliner. All that's left is to remove the pillar trim and tuck the rest of it into the dash to hide all the cables. But first, we have to make sure it works. After plugging it in, we were good to go. All that's left is to download the app to get a live view from your phone. This will also show you recent events so you can see if anything has happened to your car, and you can quickly download any clip onto your phone. Now, my only feedback. In order to get the parking monitoring to work, you need to have a hardwire kit. This also makes it a little more difficult for those who lack common sense, but I can show you how to do it if you want. Honestly, I found this camera way easier to use than my old one, so I would say it's definitely worth it.